Alrighty guys, it is official. I have applied for the funded account challenge. Let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so here it is. This is my email. As you can see, it says your funded trading plus order is now complete. Thanks for shopping with us. And then this is the information. It was $4.99, but they did have the discount for Boxing Day, which also, if we do pass it, comes with an 85% take profit as well. So we got a discount of $25, and then the total came to $4.74. But yeah, guys, I'm super pumped. I hope you guys are pumped. Let's get into the rules and what we have to do. Okay, guys, so after that email, this email came in. It's a know your customer identity check. You have to go through it. You have to give proof that basically you say where you're from is where you're from and where you live is where you live. After that, it says next steps. You can start trading now, and once you hit your profit target, we will send you details of your live funded account. Now guys, this is going to be the true test because I know that I've been really good in the market lately, but emotions are going to play a role, and I know that for a fact. I've been trading for 3 years. And whenever I trade the stock market, emotions were always crazy when you're risking your own money. Alright guys, so these are the rules. Like I said, they give you a dashboard. Hard rules, these are ones that cannot be breached or the account gets closed. So you can't breach the daily drawdown of 3%, so you can't lose more than 3%, otherwise your account gets closed. And you can't go below a total of 6%, or else your account gets closed. But yeah guys, I am super pumped about this. I hope you are too. I told you from the beginning this is what we're going for. If I do end up failing, that is okay. I'm going to continue practicing, and then we are going to try again. And we're going to keep trying until we pass it. But I do have a really good feeling. There's no reason why I shouldn't be able to pass it because of the back testing that we did. The back testing that we did has shown that I actually made over $17,000 in profit in 3 weeks. So we should be able to get that done again. The only thing that's going to be different, guys, is emotions. Emotions are going to play a huge role. I just know emotions is what can completely destroy you. But it doesn't matter because we're going to get it. Let's go.